Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we're going to do another quick, easy, simple, my new thing for summer makeup. And we're going to be with a different powder foundation. We're going to be doing this with the bareMinerals Bare Pro. I don't know how new this is because I was never really a big fan of the mineral foundation because I felt it made me look too shiny. That was back when I loved being matte though. And I saw Wayne Goss reviewing this recently and I thought, is that new? Anyways, I went out and bought it and we're gonna test it out. This is the color I got. And this is the bareMinerals Bare Pro 16hr. And my color is light neutral 02 or 20, light 20 neutral. It's upside down. So we're gonna be testing this out the same way I did the last one, which was the Benefit one, because I really liked that. It was so light. This one actually has a little more coverage than that one did. So I'm thinking this is gonna be even better. So we're gonna be testing this out the same way we did the other one. And basically what we're gonna do is, if you didn't see that one, I'm just gonna put on some moisturizer because this is gonna be like when I really don't wanna wear makeup, but I really don't wanna be completely bare. I wanna look like I'm not wearing makeup, but better. So I'm gonna put moisturizer on. This is my Cerave Moisturizer, what I use every day. It's the PM one. And I'm just gonna put this on just like I would any moisturizer. And then I'm gonna put on, except this time I'm gonna put on some concealer. Last time I didn't. I just put the powder on. So this time I'm gonna put on a little concealer. Actually, I think I'm going to use my Shape Tape, the creamy one, and my color in this is 205 Light Sand. So I'm just going to put on a little bit of this. Just like I would normally, but mostly just covering up any spots. Because I didn't do that last time, and it really showed through. But it's still going to show through because I'm going to blend this out to almost nothing. Alright, so now I'm going to blend this out real quick with my sponge. And it's just going to give it a very light covering of the spots. Mostly just the redness. So it's not quite as fun and go as last time, but close. And it's hopefully still going to be super quick. And then we're going to take our Bare Pro and we're gonna go right over, oh, it's a little orange. It's so hard to pick because the lighting inside Ulta and Sephora is so bad. It's like, I think they just want us to have to bring stuff back. But I don't want to. I live too far away. I want to get it right the first time. Alright, that's pretty much all I want to do. Just a light layer of powder to give it a little bit of coverage. Let me blend these edges a little bit better. Okay, that's it for that. So, now I'm going to go in with my bronzer just to give a little bit of depth, you know, contour them a little bit with my Bobbi Brown. And I'm just going to put a little bit on each side, a little bit up here. And then once I've got some of it off, I'm going to go back in and blend it a little bit. Like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing on my nose. Quick, quick, quick. A little bit down here. And then I'm gonna just use this. Actually, no, I was gonna do a one and done on my eyes. So I'm gonna grab this, pull it down a little bit. I'm going to use my Sigma. I think this is a primer, an eye primer, but it's really not. It's colored. It is called, the color is Bubbly, and it is shadow base primer is what it says, but I'm gonna do a one and done with it. So I'm gonna take this. Oops, this is not the right one. I'm not gonna use Bubbly. I'm gonna use this matte colored one. Yep, and it is Earthen is the color. And I'm just going to put some on my lid like this, like all over my lid, both sides, because we're talking quick. And then I'm going to grab a kind of a dense brush. This is my Sigma E55, and I'm just going to spread it around using only one side of the brush and kind of pull up into the crease. And then I'm going to switch to the other side where it's hardly any on it, and even pull it up higher. And that's how you do the one and done shadow. Let's see which side is which. Okay, this is the one that has the most on it, so I just want to make sure that's on all of my lid. And then I want to pull it with the heavy side all the way into my crease, and then switch it over and start pulling it up out of the crease. And then if I need more, I just use the other side for a minute till I get it just the way I want it. Just like that. And that's it. I think I'm going to add a little underneath the outer corner. Just to kind of pull that together, which actually works much better on this eye than this eye. Okay, I know my eyelashes are messed up too, and I'm missing a nail, but that's because I had to put these eyelashes back on. I had taken them off to put new ones on, and then everybody decided they wanted to do a Costco run on Saturday. So I had to put these back on real quick because I didn't have time to do the new ones, because the new ones you have to cut and everything. So now I'm just going to take them off. Same with the nails after this video, and put new ones on before I leave for California. And I didn't want to stick a nail on because then it'll be really hard to get off. These nails are the bomb. These have been on for 2.5 weeks. And the only thing, I've replaced like 2 or 3 of them because they will break, they'll crack right here if you bend them. But otherwise they've never lifted. They are horrible to try and get off. So that's why I didn't want to glue one on just to make this video and then take it right off afterwards. So anyways, that's where we are. So I am going to put on liner now. I'm going to use my NYX liquid liner and put on a quick line. Uh-oh, it's getting thick now. I wanted a thinner line, but yeah, that didn't work out. Okay, that one's done. Okay, that's it. I think I probably need a little blush. I feel a little pale. So I'm going to go in with my Dallas. This is not as quick as I thought it was gonna be. Oh, I know what I need. I need my eyebrows. That's why I look so pale. So I probably didn't need this, but we're just gonna put a little bit. Normally I would just use what's in my brush, but I did that last time, so there's really not much left in my brush. So, no highlight though, because we're doing the beachy look. Okay, brows. We're gonna use this Gimme Brow from Covergirl in Soft Blonde. I think I'm gonna get some more of my Cabrow, only I'm gonna get it in the blonde, because I started feeling like it was too dark. And then instead of getting it in the lightest color, because I don't know, the lightest color to me always looked too light. Like this. This looks too light, but it gets darker as it dries. And I always loved the Gimme Brow. I mean, not the Gimme Brow, the Cabrow from Benefit. But I always got it in the number 2, which is Top, I think, or Taupe. And I think I'm going to try it in the blonde and see if I love it. Because this one, I always think I don't love it. And then once it dries, it's fine. But I don't really like not loving it when I'm putting it on. So that's what I'm going to do. So see, it looks really light now, but it will get darker. Okay, all we got left is my lips, and you know me, I'm gonna use my Laneige because it's my favorite. And it's just so not lipstick. It's not sticky. It's like, I don't know. It's the best. It goes on so creamy, it's not sticky, it's got just enough shine and glimmer that it's perfect, and it smells delicious. So that's it. Oh wait, I forgot to spray it all. That's what you got to do. That's the final touch to make it last and feel like you don't have anything on. So actually, I usually spray it right after I put the first powder, the like bareMinerals powder on, but I forgot. So hopefully it'll still work this way. So you let it dry for just a sec, and then you go in and you push it in with your sponge. Push it all in. And this is it. This is our final look for our beachy look, our run out the door. Doesn't take very long, and it feels like you're not wearing anything. It's so perfect. So it's pretty. I still want to try that other eyebrow stuff, but you know me, I'm always trying new eyebrow stuff. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. The Barepro, it's like, at first I thought that it was too dark, but it's just enough coverage. It's perfect. Once you spray it and you push that on, it's so light, so, I don't know, it's like I can still see my skin through it, but not all the flaws. And it's not going to gather at all since I sprayed it. I mean, it doesn't really anyways. Usually if anything on me, powder gets too dry and cakey right here and right here. But it didn't last time, and I like this powder even better. So I'm definitely giving it a thumbs up. Anyways, I love this technique. If you guys love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!